Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
UMLA ka Shillong South Constituency na kaseng Nationalist Congress Party uba Sanbor Shullai hadien ka Jingkynnoh bola jrongkti ka kong Haviva Passah ulawan bat Pynshai Halor kini Jingja kablaja hakajan miet South Tarik menta unailar. Habakran hakinong patai kubor ha Shillong Press Club henne kasngi ka khandai Tarik unailar na kalyang jong ba Sanbor Shullai ula kanta ya ka Jingkynnoh jong ka kong Haviva Passah da ka bayatho janairu ya ka kablaja hakati kasngi.
This two ladies along with their son Mickey has appeared in the newspaper that they are my strong supporter. Actually, it is false and baseless. They are the very die-hard supporter of my last 2013 MLA election, Mr. Shullai. And what was happening, you see, on the 2nd of August, I was in Secretariat in my office. First, I got the telephone call from one gentleman who is a retired officer from the bank, who is staying just Bishnupur, upon Kenchis, it is just opposite of that army camp. So he informed me, see, because these people start assemble, this job aspirant from all over India, I think from Assam, everywhere. I think they have attended around 7 to 8. It came out in the paper also where we have taken the photograph. They were sleeping everywhere. What to do, bichara? Job aspirant. So he said like that, we feel so scared because these people, they rush, they have to block our gate. Everybody's gate, they have blocked. So he said, okay, I'll find out, I'll try to talk with the police. So after some time, one master Pakente, who is staying there in Kenchis, he also reported me that plenty of these boys, they have obstructed our entrance, this, that. Then after some time again, one master Travarti from Bishnupur Bazar, I got we cannot drive this, that, it has blocked the road. If you come already, you'll see like a mela. 7, 8 or 10,000, you cannot come, Then after some time, some shopkeepers, these vendors from Bishnupur Bazar, they also, they have blocked our shop, this, that, what to do. Then after that, this Kong Passah also she called, this Kong Passah. So also, what to do with the people here, they have blocked our guest house, here also we cannot enter. I'm scared, but she said that words, please come and tell the police to come because I'm scared because if they obstruct like this, the entrance, because it happened on that guest house building, there is a committee hall also. There is a church house also of the Garuba Baptist Church, Bishnupur. So she feels scared in the first instant. Feels scared because maybe somebody will complain this, that, they rush in the thing. So after that, I said, okay, I'll look into it. Then I finished my file. Then I call the OC Relong Police Station, Master Samman. I said, see, I will receive all this complaint. You can rush, see that you should not obstruct the flow of vehicle or the shops or all this thing. You see, try to control them because I will also come after office. After that, again, I called the OC of Laban also. I said, both the OC you go. You try to control to see that there should be no law and order problem. Maybe this local people, these anti-social elements, they may create havoc, this, that thing, all this thing, because it is my prestige. I'm a father of the constituency. So it is my responsibility to see. So it was, so in the evening, so after 15 to 20 minutes, then the OC Laban Police Station called me. He said, sir, I have tried with some army officer. So they have suggested me to talk with a GOC, 101 GOC, because he's the in charge. So I told them that, you see, tell Master Das Gupta, please request the army when they have conducted the recruitment rally, why should the public stop that? It is them, the authority of the army, to provide space for these people whom they have invited for the recruitment. They should allow such a big, huge army land is there. So he said, okay, sir, because they have suggested to talk. Maybe he's spoken with this station commander in near civil hospital. So he said, I do not want, you better you talk with it. This way, master, this OC, he told me. Then I said, you request him to accommodate them inside. Although I have not seen with my eyes, but what I could hear from the mobile, I don't like a melon. Huge shouting. The crowd and all. Then after some time, then about 15-20 minutes. So that time I was ready to come from the secretariat. Then he said, sir, like this I have spoken, they don't allow this army. I said, why? They said, actually we will allow them to enter the gate on the third means next day from 6 o'clock inside. But for today, there is no order to allow them inside. What to do? So I said, actually they should allow them. I said, no, we will not take the responsibility because in the criteria, we have not mentioned anything that will accommodate them. It is their own responsibility to stay in the hotel or in the friend's house. But our order is 6 o'clock in the morning we will open. Then that way, so I came. So first I came, then I saw plenty right from last stop. I think you have seen plenty huge like a rally, you know. So I came like that. Then I lighted up main Vishnupur taxi stand. Huge people, Sanbor, what is happening is blocked like anything. Then I managed to go. Then when I went there inside I saw full they have blocked there in the guest house and all the shops, the roads and everything. Then what happened? So I interacted with them. I started, where are you from? What? Huh? So they said, sir, we're from Assam, some from Bengal, some of them from Nagaland, from everywhere. Then when I enter inside, so I saw upstairs also plenty of them. So this manager, Mr. Mickey, when I reached there, he have already taken money. He have accommodated that in because there are big room. I think not less than 20 boys in one room. There are about 5 to 6 rooms. It might be around 100 plus. You have already accommodated, have already taken the money. He said, see, sir, we are coming from the poor family. I said, why you have taken money from these poor people? Actually, you should have consulted me. On a humanitarian ground, we could have given them free of cost. For a matter of 7 to 8 hours, just to rest, because we knew by 5 o'clock they'll have to rush. They'll have to rush and first come, first serve. Everybody will rush inside the recruitment camp. So there, I told him no. Immediately now, please, I will do the accommodation. Rajesh is there, 3-4, my PSO is there. We are helping them. We said, no, 500 rupees you are taking bichara these people. And when I interact, they said, sir, हम लोग सब गरीब, हम लोग के पास 600-700 रुपया, यहाँ में 500 हम लोग दे दिया एक आदमी का. Don't you feel pity of them coming from far away place? Just because they are huge, otherwise if the matter of 100, I could have given them food also. So when I asked them, they said, हम लोग chips, momo खाली यहाँ दुकान थे. Because so I told him, this is very wrong. You should have informed me, Siba, this is the thing, what to do. Then on the time we could have accommodated them free of course, cost or whatever it is. Then after that, I told him like this, you return the money. Return. If you see in the footage also, I know the CCTV camera is there in each and every guest house. I told you return all the money. In front of me, return all their money, because with this money they'll have to pay for the return transportation fee. So he have returned. So I requested all of them come out, take your money. After that, I accommodate them in the committee hall, free of course. But only one thing, I introduce myself to them. That see, I am a local MLA of this area. So they feel so great, they feel so, encouraged. They feel scared also, so, naturally. So I accommodate them inside. I said, but only one thing, toilet, you can use the toilet, but no littering. Please don't do toilet, illegal toilet in the nala, everything. Otherwise, public will complain.
Uba Sanbor Shullai ula kamru bana kalyang ju uhi syam laktakti ya kong Haviva Passah ha gajan mit sautereng pa ula angru ba ha kani gajan mit jong ka artereng uradan ha constituency jong u ban penyo jakathia ya khinna ibawan thap kam sipai nalor kani ula angru ba kong Haviva Passah bat kayeng kasam ki degino kersan barat ba jong ba sounder as kaji ha ka election MLA ka baladam house nam arjar khatlai.
Her allegation that we have assaulted her, molested her. I have got all this those witness. Because how do I assault or how do I molest? She is the one who came and trespassed in my house, forcibly entered in my house, create all this havoc. If it is me who enter her house or office or anyone, that is a different thing. They may allege. But she is the one who came forcibly in my house. That is also all the witnesses are there. That is all 530. All the surrounding my neighbors, all looking from their own veranda. Shouting, everybody are looking at her like a cinema. They are looking at her character, the way she shouts. Everybody, you have seen in my house, so many houses, from the veranda, everybody are coming out, the way she shouts. And I'll give false statement now to the police. So who knows? On the way, she may bite her own lips and own lips. These people, they dare to do that also. She may, because there is, as per the medical report, there is little bite here. She will bite by herself, then go to police station. See the police report. There is nothing, any injury in her body. You see? So I think this is, everything is being taught from Mumbai, or some political people are motivated behind all this thing. So whatever she have alleged, this is false, baseless, and fabricated. Jingkynnoh, hindi nakalay pa po ni Jingkynnoh.
Because Jingkynnoh, wairu kabapaw ko CCTV, sorti Pynshai kibri jungki ban khang talai ti kamra bro penpai ki tala bularim palala pani iru don bri jungki bo panelam tala
ude ta kibri ja kimdan mereka directive ni ayu ba khang no ya ki kamra ban prevent na ki rush kamra bagila aku merit ki apa ko ti hor per ki jaga in and around Bishnupur around normal nomor ba ude umerida, it is his duty to lock. Kata ini all fabricated dan juga talanin antara semua. Jadi aku dia manager, jadi his duty apa orang ba mission lo bisa penpai lo bisa jungki. Ni ya kibri ku baduk kiba ibaso kada kam ko jongi bagin yele ban aku beri jomde bersim bisa ibadu. Memang dia antara aswa. Ya ini room kiba empty room.
Dan yang melakang tala saya kita kamera.
Kita ni itu sekarang lu tanggawi ke mga orang tu kalau ba ni detect ila bakat ko singi. Ba claim jingbet claim permission hap iya ka lobby. Ka jing mu jo lobby, kira ka lobby ka jing kamiling hati building armala mala ka lobby. Kalau ba kinya di video ne ka lobby. Kinya la de ka lift, ne kinya di staircase. Nilap hatu si bakadolu kajing sina extra extend ya ki room claim permission claim bed habakala ini ki baleci aseng kios tangku bar for baleci aseng hadu kata ki illegally ki sina aga ki sina itu lobby ya katuru berbeli request on a good fit pe ya katuru nomor ba pimna pide berkhan kumno tangna bertapa pil kamai bisa pim berkhat su sia ki knowledge aseng kinong kire aseng te sobhai ka neru umma kan kam dan rah permission na mudaru umma to bidi binu no itu barkas turum ru ulasnam garel itu ka porel bislo ko jikya we la itu sna ha to ayu bisna ka to not allow magale kam dan permission kimla ban sna magale ka turum bidi da bu ka turum te sobha ban le gile kam ka itu na ka diu barakat kita gi ngakumu ayu to ka ke beli om ab ki le ki no ki bumle ya ban le
Bảo Sanbor nó sau link ông Haviva Passah có sự mình ta bị ông bakal bertanya tentang organisation itu. Nah di konstitusi ông bayar bisa pak direct aja, man keberai transfer baik sebuah personal account.
Akan dia personal account. Ia mo kana sila ia ada cash kan? Isi ada cash, no personal tau.
Menurut Presiden yang kesan Sanbor,
Sanbor Shullai.
Treasurer,
Treasurer
apa?
Vanessa Raban. V Raban.
Kita guna tu Pak Sanbor adalah organisation.
Right Raban Sport Social and Cultural Organization. Apa yang?
Right laban ngaman sport
Sport and Cultural Organization.
Box sebab ini kong Haviva ini kenal kelak tak tinggi kenyak nampak sedang gedung itu kalau bersah lo
Kata ngala Pynshai bener kada bersyukur no lamler how gumno ngala bele kita ye bang jule le kita Jingkynnoh ba ayo ilok jangan don gine gidon ki staff yo gidon visitor don staff yo ko office don ngana cuma office ngamsim nale rungsi yang jongka ngamsim nale cha office jongka kawan hima ka hayin while I was in my official work with all my people, my visitors there, my office staff are there in my office. Kini Jingkynnoh belum melihat sudah bro. Nomor bakal ada kong. Baru kini kita bang untuk ada kong bangali ai ka, bangar bangali ai ka false allegation dengan security police.